Recording again.
Oh, Daisy, you see the chicken?
There's the chicken.
Good girl. Good
There's
job,
Daisy.
Daisy. Good. Good job. Say hi, chicken. Say hi, chicken. Good girl, Daisy. Leave it. Leave it and come. Good girl. Right here. Daisy here. Here, sit. Good girl. Okay, go say hi, chicken. You see the chicken? Where's the chicken, Daisy? Good girl. Yes. Where's the chicken? Good girl. Daisy, leave it. Leave it. Yes. Good job. Good. Alrighty. That's really good for a first introduction.
Yeah, that last time was without the correction, just the command. So that was good.